Having a thorough base of knowledge on your flight manual is imperative to the SAPE manual is imperative to the SAPE mission. And this mindset has Hi, this is Glenn White with EuroSafety. In this module, we're going to be discussing the vehicle engine Hi, this is Glenn White with EuroSafety. In this module, we're going to be gone past that little triangle, the transient limit, then you will get a tone after 1.5 minutes. I hope you found that a useful introduction to your flight manual for your EC-130, and we'll see you at the next EuroSafety module.